Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going big on YouTube Shorts. We're talking about how to make your shorts absolutely explode on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or you're already crushing it, these tips are going to take you to the next level. We're going to break down the secrets to hitting that trending page, skyrocketing your views, and building a massive audience. Let's do this. All right, listen up. The first few seconds of your short are absolutely crucial. You got to grab those viewers by the eyeballs and make them need to see what happens next. Think of it like this. You have a split second to convince someone scrolling through their feed that your video is way more interesting than a million dancing cats and cooking tutorials. The best way to do that? Start with a killer hook. Hit them with something unexpected, something crazy, something that makes them stop dead in their tracks. It could be a mind-blowing fact, a hilarious joke, a crazy stunt. Whatever it takes. Remember, you gotta shock them, surprise them, make them laugh, just get them hooked. We're talking about shorts here, people, not feature films. Keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point. You gotta grab their attention and keep them glued to the screen for the entire 15 to 30 seconds. That means cutting out any unnecessary fluff, any dead air, anything that slows down the pace. Think of it like a sugar rush, pure, concentrated awesomeness in a tiny package. Every second counts, so make every single one count. Pack your shorts with high-energy moments, quick cuts, and a rapid-fire delivery that keeps them on the edge of their seats. You know how some songs just get stuck in your head? That's what you want for your shorts. Using trending music and sounds is like hopping on a rocket ship to the top of the algorithm. People are already vibing to these tracks, so when they hear it in your short, they're instantly more likely to watch. Think of it like this. You're throwing a party and you want everyone to show up. You wouldn't play elevator music, right? You'd put on the hottest tracks that everyone's going crazy for. So crank up those trending tunes and watch the views roll in. Captions and text overlays are your secret weapons for making your shorts pop. First off, not everyone watches videos with the sound on. Captions make sure your message gets across loud and clear, even on mute. Plus, they make your content accessible to a wider audience, which means more views for you. But here's the real pro tip: use text overlays to emphasize those key moments, those hilarious punchlines, those jaw-dropping reveals. It's like adding a little extra oomph to your delivery, making sure those crucial points hit home. Let's be real, most people are scrolling through shorts on their phones, not giant TVs, so when you're creating your masterpiece, keep that tiny screen in mind. Make sure your visuals are clear, crisp, and easy to see, even on a smaller display. Avoid using tiny fonts that require a magnifying glass to read. Instead, go big, bold, and in your face with your text. The same goes for your visuals. Keep them clean, simple, and easy to understand at a glance. Hashtags are like little signposts that tell the YouTube algorithm what your short is all about. Use a mix of general hashtags like #shorts and #trending, along with specific ones related to your content. Think of it like this. You're trying to find the best pizza place in town. You wouldn't just search for food, right? You'd get way too many results. Instead, you'd search for pizza plus your location to narrow it down. Hashtags work the same way. They help people who are already interested in your niche find your awesome content. You can't just drop one amazing short and expect to become a viral sensation overnight. Well, you could get lucky, but consistency is key if you want to build a loyal following and keep those views climbing. The YouTube algorithm loves creators who post regularly, so make it a habit to upload those shorts on a schedule. Aim for at least a few times a week, or even better, go for daily uploads. The more you post, the more chances you have for your content to get seen, shared, and blasted across the platform. Creating awesome shorts is just the first step. To really blow up on YouTube, you've got to build a community around your content. That means engaging with your viewers, responding to comments, and showing them that you're not just a faceless content machine. Think of it like this. You go to a party and there's one person standing in the corner by themselves, not talking to anyone. Then there's another person who's chatting, laughing, and making everyone feel welcome. Who are you more likely to connect with? And there you have it, the roadmap to YouTube Shorts domination. Remember, grab their attention, keep it short and sweet, use trending sounds, add captions, optimize for mobile, use hashtags wisely, post consistently, and engage with your viewers. Do all that and you'll be well on your way to viral stardom. Now go out there, create some epic shorts and show the world what you've got. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.